This changed everything. In the 1960s, the CIA needed a way to record secrets without raising hope. They made a pen that hid a camera and a microphone. The pen looked like a normal metal ballpoint. Nobody believed it could spy. The form was simple. It had a thin barrel, a screw-top cap, and a capped tip. Inside, a tiny lens stared out the tip. A tiny recorder lived in the barrel. Workers built the parts in a secret lab. They used tiny gears and springs, that means small metal pieces that move. The pen could take a picture of a document for a few seconds. It could also record a short voice note. The function was clear: capture information without being seen. Spy agents could drop the pen on a desk and walk away. It would hide in plain sight among real pens. The aesthetic matched any office. It was black, brushed metal, with a smooth grip. The design matched the style of the day: plain, functional, and solid. The pen used a small battery. That means it got power from a tiny cell that lasts days. It could store up to 10 photos and a minute of audio. If the pen fell, it still wrote like a regular pen. Agents loved the confidence it gave. They could trade it for a regular pen and still keep their secret. The spy pen influenced later gadgets. Miniature cameras later hid in phones, watches, and sunglasses. The spy pen showed how a common object can become a powerful tool. It reminds us that the line between everyday and espionage can be very thin.